Fescar ma agus fáilte a charich. Is me se Carl. I'm a Gansachug na Gaidhlig. I am Carl. I'm learning Scottish Gaelic, and this is my Lingo Kingdom, where I talk about learning the languages of the Isles, Japanese, Cumbraeg, and Gaelic. I'm really enjoying the online course taught by Jason Bond called Gaelic Foundations. You can take a look at that by clicking on the link in the description. I highly recommend it. I am almost a quarter of the way through it and have been learning a ton. So definitely recommend that you check that out if you are learning Gaelic. But there's some other resources out there, some of which I've not even tried yet. And one of those is Glossika. They recently added Scottish Gaelic to their website, and it's one of the couple of free courses that they have. So today, I'm gonna take the placement test and see how well I do in the placement test. I also have already taken the placement test for Welsh, and it definitely put me in a place, let's just say, I don't think I belong in. And if you want to know more about that, you can click right up here after this video and watch that video where I look at Glossika for Welsh. But for now, let's look at the placement test for Gaelic and see what it does. So scroll down. All right, Scottish Gaelic for free. And I'm going to click test my level. This is a listening comprehension test. Yep, okay.
Nach eisiau brwtig yn di old. Nach eisiau brwtig yn di old.
I only know that because a goal is to drink.
As ac wanig na hoffish.
I probably would have said, on upper on and offish. This sounds a little different, but.
As ac wanig na hoffish.
Oh, but this could be the office is getting cleaned. Getting cleaned, the office is. This is tricky. I'm not actually sure. I know work is upper. A gopper.
As ac wanig na hoffish.
I think I'm going to go with this one then. Yep, okay.
Bewisje buchadich son gach ruta hacher.
Ooh, okay, this one is complex. This one's tricky. I don't think it's number one because the sentence sounded longer than that.
Bewisje buchadich son gach ruta hacher.
Roll.
Bewisje buchadich son gach ruta hacher. Bewisje buchadich son gach ruta hacher.
Okay, I definitely got that one wrong.
Canash can rot to be hotang, savai and you savating.
Trying.
Canash can rot to be hotang, savai and you savating.
Yes. Trying, which I think is like bad, and then matin for morning. Like matin va.
Was de strijdlich hier in truit is wisselschen, ga je true de horst kan hospital. Was de strijdlich hier in truit is wisselschen, ga je true de horst kan hospital. Was de strijdlich hier in truit is wisselschen, ga je true de horst kan hospital.
This one's tough.
Was de strijdlich hier in truit is wisselschen, ga je true de horst kan hospital.
Yeah, that's only because I recognize the number 3. And this is what my experience was when I was taking the placement test for Welsh as well. If there was a particular word in the sentence that I could identify that was not in any of the other choices, then I automatically know that that's the name of the sentence. And this is B1, and the only word I could understand was 3 in hospital. In the 3. And hospital, you know, so it's going to probably think that I'm better than I am.
Like die is an garstige gedonnes and typisch.
Okay, I don't think it's that one because I didn't hear him say anything like okay. You know, kjærstgilever or menachma or anything like that.
Die is an garstige gedonnes and typisch. Die is an garstige gedonnes and typisch. Die is an garstige gedonnes and typisch.
Okay. See, this is giving...
Shuks and be foodig dat ne satje is maar sin jaakshi.
Okay, I didn't tell you to play yet, but you automatically play. Let me hear that again.
Paro shuks and be foodig dat ne satje is maar sin jaakshi.
Charo. Charo is definitely was.
Paro shuks and be foodig dat ne satje is maar sin jaakshi.
Fuddoch. I mean, fuddoch.
Paro shuks and be foodig dat ne satje is maar sin jaakshi.
It's definitely, I don't think it's this one, but I'm really not sure about this. Wish I could phone a friend right now. Like, all of y'all Gaelic speakers that are further along than me, all probably laughing right now.
Paro shuks and be foodig dat ne satje is maar sin jaakshi. Paro shuks and be foodig dat ne satje is maar sin jaakshi.
I think it's 1 or 3.
Paro shuks and be foodig dat ne satje is maar sin jaakshi.
And that's another weird thing about this compared to the other placement tests with Welsh. The first time I took the placement test about a month ago, I didn't film it because I didn't think it would be, you know, I thought I was just doing it for fun so that I could find some more learning materials. And the first time I took it, it was a lot like this, where they gave me a lot of questions and I was able to get more right than I expected to. And I would say that I'm better at Gaelic than I am at Welsh, but yet I've been getting more questions wrong. So maybe the Gaelic placement test is better than the Welsh placement test. Okay, so it says that I am A2. I still think I'm like A1.5 maybe, but if it wants to put me in that, then that's fine. You know, we'll see. So, how did I think that went? Overall, I think it went pretty good. I'm curious now to see what the actual lessons look like and feel like, because I've never tried Glossika before. So, maybe I'll do another video where I actually test out the lessons and see what they're like. So, like I said, if you are learning Gaelic and you liked this video, then please mash that like button so that other language learners and language lovers can see this video. And if you want to deepen your knowledge of Gaelic, just like me, even if you are more advanced than me, then I definitely suggest you check out the 2 courses that Jason Bond has made. The one I'm doing is called Gaelic Foundations, and there's also another one called Intermediate Gaelic if you've already got a really good foundation. Links for that down in the show notes.